Moi moi in Kabudachi. Join me and my family members as we make this delicious moi moi for dinner.
Hi everyone, I'm not the chef. My older sister is the chef. I came with the fish. Let us see your fish. And I am the chef. I brought the beans because we're about to make moi moi.
Welcome to Amaka's kitchen, where the flavors come alive. Every dish we serve with love, taste the joy in every bite. Sizzling pans and steaming pots, aroma fills the air so sweet. Watch me whip up magic here, find delight in every treat. Flavor Town, you'll never miss. Step right in and join the fun. Spices, dance, and food that thrills Amaka's kitchen, everyone.